back, fresh. All right, now we can continue working on that. All right, so we have front end here. So our issue was that we can't differentiate which message is which message is sent by whom, right? Like, is it sent by me? Is it sent by the thread, by the chatbot? Is it sent by the server? And to differentiate this kind of messages, we basically can, we're gonna have, on the outgoing messages, we're gonna have UIDs as well. No, actually, UID. That's I'll use random UID from crypto, doesn't really matter. And here in outgoing, this UID here from the message is friends, the friends message, right? So this should be fixed. So let's say that's like chatbot UID. Not the message, but no, the message has the author. Sorry, my fault. Author, not the UID. Also, the UID can have the UID as well. Author is the server. I mean, you can also have server UID generated once. It's like this. And that's just the random one. Here is the friend chatbot UID, and the author is not. The author is chatbot UID, and here is random. So when you get the message, whenever the person enters the app, that's a message, that's a server. Incoming message has to be here. Exactly. Mm. Since we're not sharing the messages, it's pretty fucked up, to be honest, but can't do anything about it. No. outgoing message is you know what, I just comment this out. Let's do this. We have message. That is true. Can be server, can be message, and contains the alpha and contains. That's all cool. Alright, what we did is now a basic setup. Basic server client setup with socket.io and Next.js, basically sending the text messages to the server, and the server responds with with basically hello here, and if I write something, does not matter what I write, it basically sends me hello back. So bam bam bam. This is what we have achieved so far. Now we want to basically implement the AI with OpenAI. And let me actually, you can't see the screen right now, and you can't see my API key that I use. I'm gonna use an API key. Now you can see my ID, obviously, but open AI key. Let's write it together. Oh. All right, you just saw the key, but nobody's live, so that's fine. I can delete this key. I will delete the key, basically. I will. Okay, you can see. I can delete the key. No, I will delete the key and create new one. Okay, now you can't see the key, and now I won't paste it because let me see. Okay, now you can't see. That's cool. Boom! I just pasted the key, saved it, blah blah blah. Now I'm cool. Cool. Now I can install .env. No. Import .env. .env is used to load your environment variables from your .env file, basically, in the process.env property. And here we should find our key, which is very cool. Now I go to OpenAI, login. I want to go to the examples and to the chatbot or friend. I think friend chat. It's good calls. But this example is basically in Python, and we have a Node.js server set up. So we're going to use Node.js server, which should be somewhere Node.js. Oh, here. The first one from Nearshov, I guess. Install this. Install this. OpenAI API, I guess, right? OpenAI API. Save. Okay. This is how we import it. Let's say it is a string. And now this is how we do the completion. complete. Let's go. We don't want to have DaVinci, but if we go to the examples in OpenAI, you can basically see friend chat that it uses text DaVinci 003 as a model. It should call model, I think, but yeah, that's the same actually. Prompt, we can use this prompt here. Temperature is 0.5, max tokens 60, top P 1, frequency penalty 0.5, frequency penalty 0, best of 1, presence blah blah. We don't need this, stream false, cool, and it should stop whenever it is reached the U column string. All right, that's cool. Let's get the response and like see. Okay, I mean it is already logging out. We don't need the arc. We just want to see the data. Right. Let's run the server again by this command. Boom. Now if I write something and send, it takes a while to respond and it fails because it says connection refused. Okay, it refused the connection because something went wrong. Invalid key. Okay. Let me check if the key is invalid. Oh, I can't see the screen. Oops, I know why. My fault. All right, the name was not the same here. I had a different environment name, the variable name here. So now it should work. But let me lowercase this because it doesn't make sense. Cool. Listen. Now again, connecting, everything is fine. Sending request takes a while, and response with hello. And now we can see what the data is. Data contains an ID, completion ID, an object, text completion created, model, choices, and it says, yeah, I watched The Godfather, it was great. Because the conversation was, what have you been up to? The friend was responding, watching all movies, and then you responded, do you watch anything interesting? And the friend then responded, yeah, I watched The Godfather, it was great. So this is how we want to, basically interact with our chatbot. And instead of hello, we basically say data.choices. That's the first, and it's always the first choice. And let's trim the message, right? So now, if you rerun it, you can see that the AI will basically talk to us. Hello there. Okay, and that's because we did not let's extend it and say, yeah, I've been watching The Godfather. And then you say something that you say. And then the friend says whatever he says. yeah, so the conversation, we extended the conversation. We gave the AI basic examples how it should interact, and we, in the end, we provided one another example where a friend responds, and then we are saying something, and it should respond. So now it should actually respond according or based on our message that we sent from the client. So let me basically say, hello there. Hi. What have you been up to? I've been working on some projects for school. What projects? I haven't been working on any projects lately. Okay. Cool. Yeah, it was really great. Okay, you haven't been working on any projects. How it was really great. Like, yeah. But that's not the point. The point is to, the point of our tutorial is to understand the underlying technology, yeah, basically bringing different piece of software and combining them, front end with back end, because many people struggling, yeah, basically using different technologies with each other. And I just wanted to make a tutorial how to, yeah, combine everything together. And yeah, now we have a basic WebSocket server behind this nice front end, and you can interact with the chatbot API, and even, yeah, build this basically, continue building it and improving it, and adding some features like, for example, timestamp here on the message, or picture profile, or you could train your custom AI to say custom stuff. This is done by fine-tuning your AI with using OpenAI. So yeah, that's actually pretty much it from my side. And I'll say see you